Hello everyone, si Mickey Jack. Welcome sa akin nga vlog kag Dilad. It's cooking time. And I am going to challenge myself. This is actually the second time maging challenge ko ang akin nga self. Kay for the first time, maraha ako. And last time, I did ang adobong kangkong. Dilad, maraha ako for the very first time ang banana heart burger. So, kay may mga puso dyan sa likod, kay may mga saging, and we only have one banana heart, puso ng saging left. So, I decided nga irahaan. And I was thinking of a recipe. Tingad kay nadamdaman ko ang Love and Kisses. When I was in college, sa Love and Kisses, ang pinaka-paborito kong i-order dyan ang burger ng nga patty instead of meat, puso ng saging. And amor ang pirmi namin gina-order kung mamahaw kami. So, tilad, and paborito ko man ang puso ka saging, especially kung gina-torta. So, every time nung maggaraha ang imo naman sa balay. So, that's actually my favorite. Kag i-dip sa ketchup. So, tilad, maraha ako, as I've said for the very first time, ang banana heart burger. So, without further ado, these are the ingredients. So, una, of course, we have the medium-sized banana burger. Banana heart, puso ang saging. And then, we have 1/2 cup nga flour. So, mayad sa balay kay naga-bake sanda. So, libre. And we also have pepper and salt for taste, and we have onion, garlic, sibuyas, kag ahos, 5 clovers of ahos, and we have 2 eggs. The good thing about this banana heart nga i-prepare ko alin sa Rija. So, it's sustainable. So, those ingredients nga pwede ko mabuel dyan sa likod. And also, the eggs. So, wala ko siya ginbakal kay may manok nga alaga ang imaw namon sa balay. So, free ang eggs. And the good thing, I also have my butane, no burner. And I have my, i-flex ko lang ang knife ko nga tarum-tarum. So, I have already given the ingredients and let's start cooking. So, now nga tapos rin ang pagpiyak kang banana heart talaga. Banana blossom. So, ja. So, what we're going to do next is to put this sa casserole. And then, we also include the fingers. So, batang natin. Why are you here? Put them all together. We are going to boil them. Boil this banana puso ng saging until it becomes soft and tender. While waiting for the puso ng saging to boil and soften, so I am mincing the onions and the garlic. So let's open and let's check if it's Ready? Let's try to slice some of it. So, nabalo natin ang puso kang saging halin sa casserole. And the next thing that we do is to let this cool. And after which, i-slice natin into tiny bits. So, medyo bahaw-bahaw naman. Tolerable naman ang anang init. So, we can slice this into very, very thin parts. So the next part is to combine all the dry ingredients. So we have here the puso ng saging, and we have the onions and the garlic. So there you go, we have puso ng saging burger, and it's healthy and organic. So it's good for, snack, or you can have it for lunch. And it's good for refreshments. You can have tangla juice or blue turnip. So let's try.